Supporting your liver is the key to better health. And turmeric is one of the best detox boosters you can get. Now, you can add turmeric to your cooking in your curries, or you can get creative and make something like a turmeric chai latte. Now, to make our turmeric chai latte, I've heated up some almond milk. You can also use regular milk or coconut milk or whatever your favorite is. And you can also just mix up your own spices. You're going to use something like your turmeric with ginger and cardamom and cinnamon, and just add a little bit of flavor to it. So we want this to taste really beautiful, as well as get the benefits of the turmeric. Now, the spice people actually have a beautiful turmeric chai blend that I absolutely love. So we're going to use this one today. Now, I'm going to use 2 teaspoons. You're using about 1 teaspoon per cup. So let's make a double serve so that we can share this with our special someone. They're going to get, it's just so nice to stimulate your senses with new flavors. I think that we get too much of a routine in our lives, and we just eat the same old boring ingredients, but it's good to sort of mix things up, and spices are the perfect way to do this. So let's pour in our already hot almond milk. Look at that color already. I love turmeric. Now, this only needs to steep for about 2 minutes, and all that flavor is going to infuse. You could also froth this up if you like in a little bit of a sort of cappuccino fashion, but just as is, this is absolutely delicious. And don't forget the finishing touch. We're just going to add a little bit of our chai sprinkles. Give it that really nice, rich, warm cinnamon flavor. So you guys, this beautiful turmeric latte is exactly what you need to help your liver, and you're going to sleep better, you're going to have clearer skin and more balanced hormones.